So let's talk about the Active 5. This is one of a few premieres that you've got at EMO this week, isn't it? Can you maybe explain about this machine?
Exactly. So this is the premiere of our active linear, full linear technology. Basically, the machine has X, Y, Z axis, full linear, as well as A and C axis in the air, the torque motor. So full linear technology.
And what's the advantage to having that linear technology as opposed to a ball screw?
The linear technology allows me with the machine to be more agile, dynamic, fast, and reduce my production time. These machines is very well accepted on the mold and die business, where you have surfacing, 5-axis surfacing, where you need to be fast on doing that, as well as very high accuracy precision fixture, tool jobs and tool shop.
And what we see here with this red cage, is that illustrating sort of the cubic area that you can
Exactly,
machine?
you're right. Yes, this is giving me the size of what this machine, with a small footprint, what size of piece I can machine. We have different kind of spindles. By the way, we are manufacturing our own spindle. We have a technology for our own high-speed spindle. We go from 15,000 RPM spindles up to 35,000 RPM. We are building 80% of all our machines in Italy. We are studying all the new technology in Italy, and we are developing almost every year new products.
What excites me about this machine as well is the access to it, because you look at the working area and you think, how are you going to get in, not just to load, but also to manage applications?
Yes, this is something that we have special on this machine. Basically, the what we call the tunnel, which is the cover of the machine, protection cover, we slide all the way back to give me full access to the table of the machine to load it with a crane, as well as this part, this covering here, slides in completely so the operator can get closer to the part when he needs to check some special feature of a part.
So we talk about the machine being dynamic and fast and a real performer, but what about the accuracy?
Of course, if I have a fast machine with no accuracy, then I didn't achieve the goal that Parpas is for. This is a machine that is using linear scales, glass scales, is using temperature control system to maintain the structure of a machine on a certain temperature. All these features makes accuracy on the machine.
And finally, your control system on here, is this the only option that's open to me?
Not at all. We are using Heidenheim, Siemens. We do also have the option of FANUC control. Those are the free control units that we offer to our customers.